Hi, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden. This is another video of the garden, and today we did a collection of the seeds and seedlings that I gathered just in a few minutes. You get to see what I was able to discover. It's the end of the season, a little rainy today, so I just decided to see what I can capture in a few minutes. First one in here is a queen palm seed. They're growing all over the place because I have a queen palm in the front yard, so it's pretty hard to not miss one of these little puppies. And I have a Christmas palm tree in the front and back, and this time of year they're starting to shed some of these bright red Christmas palm tree seeds. And since we have a lot of red in the garden, another one is that of the Solitaire palm tree. And these, if you don't get them the first day, they shrivel up very fast, just as you can see above. Another quick, excuse the pictures, but I took a quick one because it was raining out. This is a sour palmetto. The recent hurricane ripped all the seeds off. Thank God I grabbed these few. And as with the storm, it ripped off a lot of these other seeds. And this is Areca palm. They're like a greenish. They turn like a yellowish color when it ripened and look like a porcupine when they're on the front. Here is Pygmy Date palm seeds. When ripened, they're dark black and very soft to the touch, and they'll literally melt on you almost. Here's bamboo seeds. I have had this in the front yard for several years, and I'm still waiting for. I get the seeds, but I have yet to see a bamboo palm come out of it. And this is one of the coconuts got knocked off by Hurricane Irma, so it's a seed. It's a palm seed. If I sit it in the garden, it'll just sit there, and it'll eventually pop out a root and a new shoot. Here is an Allamanda vine seed pod. Lousy picture, but the pod opens up and you get all these seeds. And they usually germinate pretty much there. And this I had some seeds and a clove. So I put the garlic clove, so this will be for the cooking season coming up. And this is what they look like in one little gathering. Gardening's fun because you reward it with so many different colors, and I like to share it with everybody. And since the garlic was, not the garlic, but the basil, I love the smell of basil, so I separated them into several pots to see what we're going to look like for the coming season and try and get as much as I can. So we have them for the cooking. And this is a large leaf plant. Leaf literally gets about 4 feet wide. And here is another one, which is Pothos. This was growing up my cabbage palm tree, so I just was able to walk by and I saw this one little shoot just dropped on the floor, so it must have been a seed from the one I was climbing up. That covers everything that I found today. There's many, many, many seeds, but this is what I found today in a few minutes. And I'm Marty Dougherty, and as you can see, I'm small Marty with an M. Stop by. We have the Green Dougherty blog. I have many other blogs that we deal with, but stop by and check us out. I'm into oldies, I'm into Yorkville, and I'm into the gardening, and